Yo, there is a reason why modern men will not be successful. Modern men have all they need in their recipe to win, yet they won't. Think about this. You probably beat yourself up all the time as to why you're not successful yet, why you're not winning in life yet. Yet, if you put things into perspective, you are part of the smartest generation to ever exist on planet Earth. You are smarter than every generation before you. You have access to more information freely and instantly in the palm of your hands. You got everything you need, yet you still won't be successful. Here's why. Number one, you let others decide your outcome, especially for us dudes of color. People of color are literally in mental change because you let politicians tell you, oh, you're colored, you need some training wheels. Oh, you're colored, you need more government programs. All because supposedly we are oppressed. All this is doing is mentally training us to think that without government, we can't succeed. I don't know about you, but I think it's BS. I don't want training wheels on my bike. I'm gonna do that myself. Even if I scrape myself, even if I fall 100 times, you get back on, and that's probably the biggest fire that's fueling inside of me. That is the biggest FU I can give to the world. Any goal I set up, and why my goals are so ambitious, is so if and when I make it, it's a big ass FU, and it also ends up being an example to anybody that there's just no excuse. It just doesn't matter. Number two, you refuse to learn. Every possible way to make money today is available online, and it's free. But instead, you'd rather spend 2 hours a day on Pornhub and then spend the rest of your day playing video games, Call of Duty or whatever, and be in a chat room with your boys. So you basically spend an entire day that you could have used those exact same hours to do something beneficial for yourself in basic, simple pleasures that give you nothing. By the way, when I tell you this stuff, I tell you this stuff because I lived through it myself, bro. Can you believe your boy's going through classes? I'm still learning today at night. I'm still learning so I can become better, so I can run my companies better. I don't need to. I'm already successful. I already got money, yet I'm still doing it because you just can never stop learning. And you always got to think about this. There will always be some dude hungry that hasn't made it yet that will one-up you if you stop being on your toes, if you stop being alert. So it doesn't matter if you got nothing or you got something, you can always learn more to make more. This takes me to number three. You're controlled by your passion. Think about it. Think about this, bro. A little roast beef between two legs has you acting up. It makes you fight with your boys, turn on your family. Shoot, you'll even quit your hobbies. Shoot, you'll even quit up all your time and give it all up to her. At what cost? Too many men are slaves to whatever a woman says without any backbone to stand on whatever their actual dreams are. Bro, some men are so weak that they will literally give into a woman's ultimatums as if there's not another 2 billion women to choose from. This takes me to number four. You just lack discipline. Do you really think hard work gets done through motivation? And the sad part is that that's what most men think. Most men think, man, if I'm not motivated, I can't work today. Man, where can I get more motivation from? 98 to 99% of the work that I do is done off of pure discipline. It has nothing to do with my emotions. It had nothing to do with my level of happiness or how motivated or driven I am. None of that drives what I do. Everything that I do is pure routine and discipline. I know what needs to get done. Even though I don't want to do it, I'll still get up early every morning, get my work done. I'll still go to school at night to learn whatever I need to learn. And again, I don't want to have to do any of that, but I know I have to if I want to get to the goal that I need to get to. Meaning my feelings, how down, how sad, how stressed, none of that matters. None of that matters. Your motivation level does not matter. All that matters is your discipline. And this is what takes me to number five. You forget to stay hungry. And I'm talking to anybody that might have made it at this point. This is for the dudes that they've made a little bit of money. Now they're good. And now you're content. Now, this is when you fail, bro. I'm telling you. I live with an imminent fear of losing it all. This is a 24/7 thing. 24/7. Even when there's money in my bank account, there is always an imminent fear. And that's why Waking up at 4 in the morning, it is a discipline at this point. It doesn't matter if things are going good. I'll do an essential sell over $1 million in a day. The next day, Sunday, it's like it didn't even happen. I wake up again, I do the work again. There is no pause because at the end of the day, there's always gonna be some dude that's just as hungry, if not hungrier than you. And that's when your desires and your ambitions are crushed. When you stop being hungry, when you start getting content, that's when somebody else creeps in and takes the throne that you could have had. Boys, you got everything you need, bro. Everything's at the palm of your hands. Shoot, I didn't have myself telling me this when I was 17. Shoot, I had nobody. I had no mentor. There was nobody in my family that started a business. There was nobody driving me. I'm here telling you this, bro. You can take action right now, and it's all free, and it's right there. Bro, you got this, man. You got it.